www.haitianjonas.com. I have a beautiful, wonderful, marvelous lady. Not only beautiful lady, her voice is beautiful. Wanted you guys to meet, and she's gonna tell you her name herself, and her name means a lot. So, Miss, how you doing today?
Fine, thank you.
Welcome to Haitianjonas.com.
Thanks for having me, Jonas.
Can you tell the people who you are?
Well, my name is Judith Rejouis. I'm a singer from Boston, and I've been singing for quite a while now, but unknown to the public. I started back home in Haiti with my school choir that was Sur Salésienne de Torlande at the time. And from there I moved on with JVC that was under the belt of Ronald Rodrigue. That's about it for now.
Wow. So you have a wonderful past, and actually you're Haitian.
Yes, I am.
So you've been doing American music, Haitian music, French music, like as an interpretation or anything?
Yes, I sing other people's songs and I also write my own.
You write your own music?
Yes, I do.
This is rare sometimes. Like people, they do music, they have passion, they do a lot of singing, but they don't do their own writing. So there's nobody you're gonna give credit to. You're gonna give credit to yourself.
In my album, I will have to give credit to certain people because most of them I write, but most of them are co-written as well. So, yeah, I will have to give credit to some of them.
Tell me your experience working with. We're at Stress-Free
Entertainment.
Entertainment. Tell me the experience, like working with Mr. Jean-Francois in the studio. Tell me your experience.
Well, when I started, I remember the first day I came, it was very warm. It was he was very down to earth, a very genuine person, and he laid down the basic and the foundation on how it's going to work and what exactly I wanted to do was his first question. Was it supposed to be hip hop, Zouk, And then he was like, okay, well, let us hear what you have.
Yes.
He heard it and he's like, okay, I think for your style this will probably go, but it's up to you. So they were really, they really embraced me. It's kind of like a family type of atmosphere, which makes you very at ease when you come. It's like you're home and you really don't want to go back.
Yeah. So it's so funny for him to say, "Hey, I wanna pick you up for a certain." What is your style?
Well, I would say that my style is more ballad.
Ballad.
Yes.
What is ballad?
Kind of like Celine Dion.
Wow.
And little Oprah here
Some
and there.
high note. So you guys are about to hear her soon. Like this is like Whitney Houston type of style, right? High note, huh? Wow.
Well, I tried to go that high.
That high.
But it's just the feeling of singing and having people just sit down and listen to you and enjoy what you're saying, especially the message that you're trying to send within the song. That really gets me.
I know music is passion. Working in the studio is crazy because sometimes you will do some time like crazy night.
Yes.
Tell me about these experiences of finishing your album and people going to go in and get it, not only because your music is beautiful, but the passion, the work that you put into it.
It's really time consuming. It's a lot of late nights. Let's say you have a session that starts from 9 and it's like 1 o'clock and you're still trying to push it through. And you have MarkG, which is my producer. He will not let it fly if it's not exactly perfect. Both vision of perfect. It could be fine for him and I say, okay, I don't quite like this little piece, and he'll be like, okay, let's go back and fix it, It's very demanding, but if you have the passion and it's something that you really want to do, time flies like nobody's business.
What do you want to tell to these young people who's coming to the industry? Even though that you said you've been doing music for the past years, what do you want to say to these young kids who's coming out? Because later on you're gonna be famous. I'm not gonna see you anymore. Not even getting $1 from you. So what do you want to say to them?
Well, I'll say to them, follow your passion, follow your dream, and don't let anybody put you down. If it doesn't happen right away, the time will come. Just keep at it.
So everybody start from church. Did you start from church?
Yes, I did.
So the devil stole you, or I'm joking.
I'm still going both ways. I'm still within the church and having fun at the same time. Clean fun.
Your pastor's okay as long as it's clean.
Yes.
Okay. So one thing I want to say to you, like, by listening to your music and people watching you work right now, and they're about to see your video, they're about to see your music. When is the album gonna come out? And before I say anything, I want to say that I'm gonna make sure they hear you. Make sure those people can get your CD, your DVD, because I know video is gonna come out soon.
True.
And everything you working on that. When is the album's coming? Don't know yet.
I'll say September.
September.
Yeah.
Just before Christmas.
Yes.
Okay. So anybody you watching, Judith Rejouis, right?
Rejouis.
Rejouis, meaning, and if you translate it, rejoice.
Rejoice.
I don't know. The family is always with joy, you know.
Always with a smile.
Always with a smile, which is beautiful. They can see your beautiful smile, and I wish you the best. I wish every success when you hit the dollar. Don't forget Haiti. You know.
Oh, definitely not.
Yeah, like those who forgot Haiti.
Definitely not.
But want to big up Jean Lafontan. Do you have anybody special you want to give a shout out to?
I would like to say thank you to my manager, Dimitri Ministry, which was really being a great help. Also, thank you to Jean-Francois for taking me under his wing at Stress Free Studio, MarkG, and also to you.
Thank you
for giving me the opportunity. And also thank you to all your fans and everybody watching out there. Don't forget, CD's coming out soon. You can check the project. I have 2 singles out right now on YouTube. It's one called Mwen, bliye'w, and the other one is From Creole. Enjoy it. You can send me your feedback. If whatever you don't like or you think I should have done a different way, I'm open. Let me know. I have a Facebook fan page. It's Judith. Fan page Rejouis. Official fan page Rejouis. So just send me a message and I will reply.
It's a pleasure to meet you, Judith.
Likewise.
I look forward to seeing more products from you. Merci beaucoup.
De rien.
Elle parle français. So thank you watching Haitianjonas.com. I'll see you guys soon. Please hit that number for her because she is, and then go to her fan page because she needs your number. She needs to see you more. Be a friend of Judith. Thank you. You're watching www.haitianjonas.com. Also, link with
Impossible, parce qu'elle remet en lot. Vle faire connaître que non que moi gagne en place pour